Today we're going to be walking through a couple of hairstyles that you can use to spice up, to spice up your little hair game, you know what I'm saying? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, but keep watching. What's up, guys? It's your girl Taylor, and welcome to Taylor Winbush TV. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Taylor, and today we're going to be walking through 3 easy hairstyles for 3C for a hair type. That's my texture. I do have some 4B, and I also have maybe a couple strands that's 3B. But for the most part, my hair texture is 3C, 4A. I'm actually going to be starting off on 5-day-old hair. So I'm going to walk through the refresh and a couple of hairstyles that you can use to spice up, to spice up your little hair game. You know what I'm saying? Okay, girls. So yeah. Yikes, baby. So I have my spray bottle. So actually, I'm going to start with this Maui Moisture Frizz-Free and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Mist. This stuff is actually really good. I like to use it when my hair needs to be refreshed at night. What I'll usually do is I'll spray this on my hair at night. I'll oil my scalp, do a little massage, and then I'll put my bonnet on or my scarf. And then in the morning, my hair is literally so soft. So I'm going to add moisture back in my hair with this. And yeah, girl. So we're gonna do a little chit chat too. Okay, so basically, earlier today I was talking to one of my friends about this, and I want to know what y'all think about it. So put it in the comments below. But basically, we were talking about how girls bait men. And I was like, yeah, I definitely believe in baiting men and stuff like that. Because I feel like I still want you to come shoot your shot, but I'm going to give you a little pass. You know what I'm saying? So we were talking about that. And it's this whole thing about should women bait men? And I know obviously there's some women too that will just go and talk to the man if they feel if they're that type of woman. Kudos to you. I just like to be approached. But yeah, we were basically talking about that and what that actually looks like. I don't know, girl. So, okay. So next up, we're going to go in with the Almond Avocado Curling Cream. And girl, listen, if you have not tried the Almond and Avocado Curling Cream line by Design Essentials, you are literally sleeping right now. It is literally so good. So this is a 5-day wash and go, and it doesn't even look that bad. Okay, let me give you let me give you game up on what I did. So and please excuse my nails. I took my acrylics off, and we are in a healing process. If you know what it is, you know. If you know, you know. That's all I could say. But anyways, so this stuff is literally so good. I use this. I use their leave-in conditioner, and I also topped it with a foam. Y'all, this wash and go literally lasted me so long. So I'm just going to go through and basically redefine some of the curls that are not really popping anymore. But yeah, we were talking about that, and I was just the person that I was dating before, I definitely baited him. We were at a party, and I was just yeah, I was kind of hinting that he should come over, and then he asked me for my number and stuff like that. But it was fun. It was cool. It didn't last, but it was still a thing. Have you guys ever baited somebody? If so, girl, let me know. I think you're just basically passing a guy an alley-oop, and it's up to him on whether he wants to take the shot or not. Is he finna slam dunk it? What's the tea? So as you can see, I got my little crusties up front. I don't know if you could see this, but basically what I like to do is I like to go through and just brush them out. Usually I'll take a hard brush and just let them fall out, honestly. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to section our hair into 2 sections. So it's going to be, we're doing a half up, half down style. So we're just going to go ahead and section that off. Okay, so this also doesn't really have to be perfect. So just wanna put that out there. This does not have to be perfect. So I'm just gonna put this in a little bun in the back. And now we're going to focus on the front of our hair. So what we're gonna be doing is we are going to part it down the middle because we wanna leave two little pieces out in the front to do cute little twist. And then we're gonna go through and define and style our hair. So we're just gonna do a middle part. Perfect. And then now that we have our middle part done, we're going to take this front section and just basically section it off like a little square like this. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right. So now that that's complete, we're basically going to twist this off so we can go ahead and complete the rest of our look. So we're going to twist this so it's basically out of the way, and then we're going to come back and we're going to define it. So next up, we are going to take our gel. We're going to take our Eco Styler gel, and of course we have our edge control brush, and we're going to basically go through and lay our edges, girl. So that's what we're going to be doing. So just basically smoothing. And then I always like to take this section out here so that way I can, this gel is not playing today. So that way I can curl this with my finger. So now that that's done, we are going to put some gel on our hands and we're going to smooth this up. All right, now that that's done, I'm going to grab a small rubber band and wrap my hair in this. As you can see, my hair is frizzy, so I'm going to go back through and basically I'm going to go through and with this leave-in conditioner and then just spray my ends so that way I can go through and just finger detangle. This part can either go two ways. So you could either have it to the side like this. I'll show you 3 different ways to wear this and then we'll go to the next style so we can have some variety. So the first way is basically we are going to have this part of our hair, we're just gonna have 2 large curls. So what you would do is you just kind of like finger coil these down so it's something like this. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side so you can get that look. Okay, so this is the first look. So you would just basically finger coil, super cute. Next up, we are going to basically take these sections and we're going to put them into twist. This is actually one of my favorite ones. So you can either do this with twist or you can do it in braids. So this is the final look with the twist. Very cute. I like this one better than the curls. I feel like on the other one, I maybe should have left like a little bit less hair out. Or yeah, I should have not left so much hair out with the single spirals, but the twist, this is perfect. So about to take a picture of this. The next look is we're gonna unravel these sections and we're going to do a side twist. You can also leave this down like this, like a little cute twist out. Maybe I should do a twist out because this cream is literally giving. I think I'm gonna do that in the next hairstyle. So basically you're going to take this here and you're going to twist it over. So you want to probably twist away from your face and then twist down. This is the look. And if you have cute little beads, you can definitely add some on the end of this. I don't really have any, so if I did, girl, I would. But this one is cute. I like this one. This is my favorite one out of all three. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, so that concludes the first look. So the next thing that we're gonna be doing, obviously taking down our hair. All right, so we're gonna keep this piece out, but what we're gonna do is we're actually going to put our hair in a puff. But we're gonna make this a high puff. So I'm gonna have to basically like scrouch down so you can see what we're gonna be doing. But we're gonna take a very long hair tie and we're gonna double it. So it should look like this. And then we're gonna grab all of our hair, put it in this hair tie, and then we're going to lock it once and then basically go all the way up like this. You could either leave it out like this, maybe add some cream in there. I'm going to do the twist again. Actually, let's swoop this. We're gonna swoop this. So I'm going to take the curling cream and I'm going to lay my hair down a little bit more. You can even take this further out to the side if you want a larger swoop, but I don't really care for that because it's just, I don't think it's going to give what it needs to be given for me. So basically you're going to just pin your hair, which I have some bobby pins, but actually I'm going to use this clip. So I'm just going to clip my hair here. That is it. So this is the second look. I actually really like this. I've never worn my hair swooped to the side before. Kind of did this on the spot, you know what I'm saying? But it's giving what it needs to give. I love it. It's super cute. I actually might try to do this with a low bun. So we'll do that in the next hairstyle. We'll actually do two buns up top, and then we're gonna leave the swoop out, but we're gonna do like a deep part swoop. But this is the second look, and of course I'm gonna take some pictures. All right, so that was fun. So the next thing we're gonna do is, of course, take our hair down and take this clip out. We're going to give something fabulous. This one is going to be fun. So the next thing is we're going to take our comb and we're going to part this into a deeper part. So we're going to keep this out, but we are going to go a little bit further. Okay, so this is the part. So we're just going to section this off now. The next thing that we're going to be doing is splitting our hair down the middle. So this swoop can be worn with a high puff, a high bun, low bun. You could do a lot of stuff with this, but in this video, we're going to be doing two high puffs. We're going to be taking our gel and basically going to add the gel down the middle. And we're also going to add the gel on the perimeters of our hair. We're going to do a bun. Like so. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is our swoop. You can also do two twists, or you could do two little coils down the side of your face, or you could do two braids with beads. This style, you could also feng shui a little bit. But for us, we're gonna be doing a swoop. So I'm just gonna add some gel to the swoop. And I'm gonna add another clip. This is the final look. All right, you guys, I hope you like this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like more videos like this, let me know. I will definitely make more of them. And yeah, girl, have an amazing day. Have an amazing evening. I don't know what time it is where you're watching this, but you're lit. And don't forget that if you try some of these hairstyles, please let me know. This was actually really fun. I never try hairstyles, so I'll definitely be doing this a lot more. But until next time, peace.